So this is a fun one. I'm going to show you how to post to your story from the desktop experience of Instagram, not on your phone. So this way we can post files or videos that are saved on our computer directly to our Instagram story. Now, on the mobile, if you hit the plus sign, it opens up and you have the option to post to your story, your reel, your live, or your post. On the desktop experience, if you hit the plus sign to create, you're missing the reel and you're missing the story. So what you need to do is you actually need to get your desktop browser to emulate a phone, which is cool. All browsers are equipped with this. I'm using Chrome here. And what you need to do is over here, there's these three dots. You need to go down to find more tools and developer tools here. So no matter what browser you're on, there is going to be developer tools and you have all this stuff. Don't worry about any of this. We really just need this little icon right here. There is a laptop and a phone. We'll select this. Now we're on a responsive device. If we go and hit this drop down, we can actually choose the type of device we want to emulate. I'll hit the iPhone 14 Pro Max. All right, so now I'm just gonna give this page a quick refresh so that it all renders as if we're in the iPhone 14. And here we go. Now from this plus sign, I would hit story, just like we would on our phone. And then I would grab a file that I want to share. I'll grab this one, that's just me. And there it is. And now I can edit this just like I would on our phone. So pretty cool. And then down here, you would just select add to your story. So pretty cool. Honestly, I hope this helps you. If it does, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.